What is that? Okay, I was going to say, what is that? He's playing a video. Look at the mom. Oh, did it?
Yeah.
You be alright.
No, I was saying that, yeah. No, it was straight.
And the babies was right there with it. They got some stuff over here. Beautiful dolphins. Very clear water, very calm tonight. Oh, the baby. There's the little baby staying right with the mama. Little baby dolphin. Staying as close to mama as possible. Hi guys. Haven't seen y'all all night. Aw, you're so cute, little guy. You love mama, don't you? You're rubbing all over mama. Hi. 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 You're my friend. Since I was a little kid, I've hand-fed dolphins in some form or another. The baby's learning. So close to mom, it's not funny. She is staying just as close as possible to these dogs. Oh, it might be a different one there. No, maybe that's still mama. Seen a big shark last night here. All I see right now is dolphins. The baby. They threw something over on that side. Watching them, not the camera. We are way closer. There's few shrimp, very few shrimp tonight. Something I want to point out, look at the reflection of Florida. All the chemtrails they sprayed. There's no clouds. Stars. Stuff in my spotlight too when I flash it. But I want to show you that's Hudson, Florida, and down below here is Holiday, Florida, with a 1,200-foot tower. I was seeing if we could zoom in on it. The birds are not helping. Quit doing that, birds. You're not helping. There's too many birds. But you can just see the towers down south where it's Tarpon Springs. Everything's beyond the horizon. And you can see the glow of US 19, very distinct. Like never before. I thought it was rain, but I looked at the radar, there's no rain, it's just glowing. Fished here my whole life, I've never seen Florida glow like it does now. But just the tip of Hudson sticks out here. The kids. He got bit by dogfish. Oh yeah, you can just let him have the shrimp, it's okay.
I was just looking.
No, I'm being funny. But yeah, he bit you. He ate that shrimp and he was trying to eat your finger. They hurt, they ain't no joke. And I think if you sling it, but if you sling it, it'll rip skin off. You wearing gloves helps. Anyhow, standing by. Those dog oyster toads is what they're called. They actually bite you and they catch you off guard and you sling it and they'll take skin with them. We used to pick everything barehanded. But alright, not much shrimp tonight. Try a couple more. Standing by.